guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have a brand new to the channel home decor subscription box for you guys. Designed, Life Delivered. I have been watching them, eyeing them, and I finally reached out to them about getting a box. They are not brand new. Their first boxes shipped in summer of 2019. But I only recently stumbled upon them, and this is my very first box with them. But they are a quarterly home decor box. It is $99 a quarter, and you can use code PINK15 to get $15 off your first subscription. But you can also use code PINK10 to get $10 off a single box purchase or a gift box purchase. So they are a quarterly subscription box, but you do not have to become a member to be able to just pick up a one-off box when you want to, or to gift a one-off box when you want to. That's pretty nice. They send 5 to 8 items per box, and the box is designed for people who love new home decor and accents and who love getting new things every season to help keep their home fresh and up to date. They also do say that they are an upscale seasonal home decor box. So we are not going to be seeing stereotypical run-of-the-mill products that you'll find at your local home store. They source and design from all over the country looking for unique pieces. So I think that is one of the things I would say that stands them apart from some of the other boxes, which also is reflective in their price point. They're not a $69 or $79 box. They are a $99 box, but they are also saying the products inside reflect that, as well as the curation reflects that. I'm super interested to see what is in here. So I can share more about the box in a bit, but let's dive in and see. This right here says, say hello to your beautiful new decor. For style tips, visit their website. Lots of fragile stickers, so I'm guessing we've got some breakable or glass items in here. Okay, so when I open the box, this is what I see. I can see a little bit of a sneak peek of the items that are in this box on the card here. I want to just raw open and look at it. So this card, which by the way, is printed very elegantly on really nice cardstock paper. We're gonna set over here, pull the products out, then we can see what they have to say about them. Because I saw that fragile side, I'm a little nervous pulling this out. Ooh, this guy is heavy. No wonder the box is so heavy. Okay. That is super cool, and I think there's 2 of them. So before we talk about it, let me pull this other one out. Yes, there are 2 of them. How cool and how unique are these? So it is a set of candlesticks. I guess I should make sure that there aren't any others in here. Okay, I don't see any right now, but I do see these, so I will go ahead and pull it out. With the candles that you need. And they're a perfect fit. Very cool. So I'm gonna pull this candlestick out. This base is like cement on the bottom and wood on the top. It can hold the candle obviously on top, but the base actually has the pad so that it won't scratch any surface you put that on. It seems like such a simple thing to say that, but the number of items I receive in shopping at normal places like Home Goods that are on the cheaper end that don't have these is a lot. So I am very appreciative of taking the extra time and money to put these on, because I have some vintage sideboards that I've invested in that I only put protected pieces on. So these are very cool. The wood patterns are unique. You can tell it's real wood. They are not the same. The grains are not the same. These are the Cement Candleholders. The wooden cement candle holders are gorgeous, styled with neutral tones and paired with our taper candles. They are sure to add some pizzazz to your holiday table this season. I'm loving these because I think, yes, these would be cute on a dining table. They'd be cute on an entryway. They'd be cute in a lot of different, but once again, my patio. I think those would be so cute on my patio. But depending on what else is in this box, it may shift to my dining room. We'll see. You guys, it is a chain set, just a decorative chain set. This could go on a tray. This could go on a shelf. There's a lot of different places these can go. They can hang, like if you have a blanket ladder, you could put an S hook up and hang these on an S hook along with a blanket beside it or a hat beside it. This doesn't have a lot of practical use, but will make any look that you design slightly more upscale by adding these. If you did a stack of 3 books and put it on top. And I have never received these or anything like these in a home decor subscription box before. These are the black marble chain. This decor piece is one of our favorite box items ever. I'm glad that they agree that this is a really cool item. We love both the soft curves and the beautiful black marble and the simplicity of the design. Lay it atop a stack of books, add it to your coffee table tray, or leave it to stand on its own in an entryway table or bookshelf. This is for sure to be a favorite for the year to come. I agree. Design Life, I absolutely agree that is a unique and very beautiful touch. I love that it has the feminine curves like you mentioned, but I love that it has the masculine color and texture to it. Love, love, love that. Okay, so I got on their website, looked around because I was like, okay, how do they, like, what is their style? Like, what, besides upscale and unique items, what is their style? And I never could really find a defined style. So far, I would say they're doing a good job of having a little bit of a contemporary edge. They create 4 boxes every year, and while they are seasonally inspired, every box is non-denominational. They started in 2019 with 2 women designers and over a decade of experience in both residential and commercial design. Design Life Delivered's goal is to create a beautiful curated box every season with a variety of pieces that you can use all around your home. I would say I'm seeing that so far in my first box. Oh, what is this guy? Oh my gosh, I don't know what he is, but he is very cute. He is in that slate gray or that darker gray black that my husband absolutely loves. And I mean, instantly I'm thinking, oh my gosh, when the girls are having pancakes, their little syrup would be so cute in here. Microwave and dishwasher safe, so it actually can practically be used. Okay, before I look at that, let me pull. Let's just make sure. Okay, here we go. Here's the rest of it. So here's this, and here's the little tray. So he goes like this. Now, I still don't know what he is, other than just loving him. This guy has like a edge for a spoon, maybe? Also dishwasher and microwave safe. Then it has this wood tray base that holds both of them. How cool is this? Let's see what it says over here. Oh, the sugar and creamer set. The fall and winter seasons are a time for getting together with family and friends or treating yourself to a warm drink around the table or fireplace. Display your sugar and creamer with this fun set. So, sugar and creamer set. Very, very cute. So to give you guys an idea, this guy is just shy of 8 inches tall. This guy is just shy of 6 inches tall. These cups are 2 inches tall, so they come about, about 3 inches off once everything is stacked together. This chain is about 10 inches long, and they're thick. They're a solid inch thick, each of these chains. And I mean, this guy is heavy. But gosh, that looks so cute. You could create a beautiful tablescape with just this stuff alone. This is fun. I am loving this box. Okay, what else do we have in here? I'm making a huge crinkle paper mess today. Here we go. Coordinating dishcloths. Love it. So I think I just sealed that this is really a cute kitchen, entertainment, dining, wet bar setup. So there are 2 cloths in here that match the current colors and schemes of the box. They do have a fringe on them, and I absolutely love dishcloths that have a fringe on them. Here is what they look like out wide. They're just normal size. They have a cute little print. It only is printed on the front. The back is just plain. But the design and the color on this is very, very cute. Machine, wash, warm, and dry. Thank you for sending dishcloths we can actually wash. It just kills me when they send a dishcloth and they're like, spot clean. I use the dishcloth to spot clean. What's supposed to clean this guy? And I mean, I know people put them up aesthetically, like just hang them on their stove or hang them on a hook. I got kids and a husband. There is nothing that is in the kitchen that just hangs aesthetically. It's all practical use stuff. The cotton hand towels. We are loving the cotton hand towels this season. Neutral tones and a fun pattern bring a little bit of fun to any kitchen. Hand washable and absorbent. These are sure to become a daily use item in your home year round. So I do love that although this is a winter box and this has a beautiful winter feel, these items can be used year round. I have not washed these yet, so I can't vouch for the absorbent, but I love that they added that because that's a pet peeve. Surely you feel me there. You get the cutest cloth in the world, but it doesn't wipe anything off, and you're trying to dry dishes. It doesn't dry dishes. It doesn't absorb anything. It's super annoying. So then you just have to get rid of it. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. I don't know. Do I count this as 1 or 2 items? We'll count it as 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to count the sticks as separate. 7, 8. I have a lot of subscription boxes. In fact, I only can think of one other subscription box that when they send a candle holder, they send the candle that goes inside. So that is actually a unique thing, and it is actually a beautiful thing because I have found myself more than once running around trying to find the candle that goes in the candle holder. So by the time I post the video for you guys, you'll have a way to get candlesticks, and it's a lot of work. But with Designs Live Delivered, I don't have to do anything, and you don't have to do anything, and I happen to really love that. If you are a Design Live Delivered subscriber, tell us about the box. Tell us what your history has looked like. What do you love? Why have you stuck with them? This is my first box, and I am super impressed and looking forward to my next box. I also would love to check out some of their holiday boxes or their holiday bundles. I wonder if they're doing anything for Valentine's. I will look that up. But this is definitely upscale. It is definitely excellent quality, and the curation is spot on. I have a new box for us to be watching out for. If you have a subscription box that we have not opened, please send it over. I am constantly ordering and looking for the boxes that you guys recommend. We're rolling into the new year, so I want to launch some new things for us to play with. So leave it in the comments below what box I should get my hands on next. I hope that you guys have an absolutely amazing Christmas, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.